Google Docs documents are cloud-based, meaning that it is saved on an internet cloud drive. So if you want to download this as a file onto your computer, then you can simply go to File over here and then click on Download. And here you have multiple options to download this in different formats. The one which is best to preserve the format and to preserve the editing capabilities is Microsoft Word, that is the DocX format. You alternatively have OpenOffice format right here, Open Document format. If you use OpenOffice instead of MS Office on your computer, there's this text format, PDF, and so forth. So let us just go and download this as a Microsoft Word document right over here. So once I do that, it downloads it as a Microsoft Word document, as you can see. And now once I open it out, it opens it out on my desktop version of the application with all of the formattings preserved, as you can see right over here, just like this. And now you can start editing this out. If you don't know how to use Microsoft Word, you can take a look at my Microsoft Word playlist as well. So now let me just close this out and let's see the other options right here. You can download this as an open document format, which is an open office format of the document. So it just converts it out, as you can see. This is also supported by Microsoft Word, as you can see right over here, just like this. And it is supported by OpenOffice as well. If I were to go over here on the file download, the other option that you have is RTF, which is simply another format right here. If you want to preserve the Outlook, then you can download this as a PDF document right over here. So it preserves the Outlook and everything, so it can be accessible in multiple devices without a problem. But this is not suitable for editing. As you can see right here, this has been converted into a PDF document now. Let us just go into File again and click on Download. And over here, you can also download this as a plain text format. So let's just try that out. So it downloads out all the text and keeps it as a text format, as you can see, but there's no pictures whatsoever right here. You can do that as well. You can download this out as a web page. So if I were to go over here, download this as a web page, let's see what happens. It is downloaded as a web page right here, and you can view this in any browser, as you can see right here, as a web page. And that is how it works right here, where images are saved over here as PNG. So if you want to do a web publishing, then this format is more suitable. Another right here is you have EPUB publication. So if you're using iPad or any other e-publication readers, then you can use EPUBs as well. So there's different formats that you can download in as well, just like that. And that is how you can download Google Docs and work around with different download options for downloading different file types to work in different ways from Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.